uNdunankulu KwaZulu-Natal uSiqiniseko uthi uhulumeni usebenzisana yonke imindeni elahlekelwe yihlobo kulezikhukhula ukwelekelela lapho bengalekelela khona. Uzikalala ukusho lokhu ngaphambi kokuthela kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuyahlola umonakalo wenzeke eindaweni ekhahlanyezwe yikhukhula. Ubehambisana nemeya yeTheku uMxolisi Khawunda naye oveze ukuthi bathola inqwaba yeingcingo zabantu abadinga usizo emva kwalenhlekelele.
The state of disaster, then we are embarking as a second step on collecting the information and ensuring emergency interventions in all areas. That include ensuring that all people have accommodation, those whose houses were destroyed. It also includes ensuring that people have food and things to wear, clothes to wear and to sleep. They've got shelters.
Each and every minute is a minute of response because there are community members who are still forwarding reports that there are people who have not been found. So therefore our rescue teams working with SAPS, they are working tirelessly to look for those missing persons, and we are also working hard to try and deal with the infrastructure.